Guys, okay, so we're going to show you how easy it is to repair a pothole using the amazing new GRIDREP system. All right, let's start. Okay, so now we just put it down over the hole. So we've marked this one out with a chalk line. Now all we're going to do is cut the asphalt away and just clean up the edges. Okay, once we've done that, all you do is open up the hole. So once you finish the hole, all you need now to do is to make a bed of crusher dust. Once you've made your bed of crusher dust, all you do is you put the grid onto it, and that's it. Just check that it's lined up, just stamp on it. Great. 100%. It's that easy, guys. So what you do now is you just throw crusher dust into the grids. You can either use a wet mixture, crusher dust and cement, which I prefer. It doesn't make as much dust, or you can use a dry mixture of crusher dust and cement powder, and you just water it slightly afterwards. As you can see, you can just smoothen it out with a spade. You don't even need a trowel. That's it. Simple, quick, easy. It will last forever.